Hey James. Hey Zaina. So you know how the other day I cited the fact that every minute 60 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube? So I was curious what exactly that meant for like the YouTube universe. So instead of just Googling it like a normal human being, I decided to be a massive nerd and use Python in order to figure out how many hours of video are uploaded in total to YouTube. Not this Python, this Python. So I assumed that it followed a normal like exponential curve, you know, the whole J-shaped thing that they tell me about in my environmental studies class for non-science students. I plugged in a bunch of points to Python and got an equation for what the actual graph looks like of the rate of upload to YouTube. So I figured that if I took the rate of video upload to YouTube and integrated that from the creation of YouTube, I googled it, it's on Wikipedia, back in February 2005. Found a random point at which there were 48 hours uploaded to YouTube every minute. Googled it back on May 25th, I believe it was, 2011. And then I used the point from the other day, which is that as of January, I think it was 23rd, there were 60 hours of YouTube video uploaded every single minute. So with those 3 points, plugged them into Python, got an equation. Looks like this thing here, you know, the usual dorky J-shaped curve, yay, environmental sciences. It's not right, but assuming that it is, because it's kind of close, I can now figure out how many hours of video there are actually uploaded to YouTube. So, you know, usual, do a bunch of math things. So, you know, break up the calculator, integrating for dead. So incredibly dead. So I'm gonna have to go like old school on this one, normal calculator. I figured out that there are 4,031 minutes uploaded to YouTube. That is completely wrong, like not even close, like really far off from what the actual answer is. And for some reason Python's giving me two numbers, so use the second number and got 3.4 times 10 to the 72 minutes. That seems incredibly off in the opposite direction though, so like I guess it's somewhere in between the two. So consulting the interwebs and actually YouTube itself, YouTube says that there are 8 years worth of video uploaded every day. So although it seems ridiculous, maybe that number is actually right. 3.4 times 10 to the 72 minutes. 6 times 10 to the 66 years of video. I think that's wrong though. So assuming this ridiculous quantity of user-generated material that is on the internet seems like in this massive world of user-generated video, why are we even like attempting to actually upload anything? We have, including this video, about 35 minutes worth of video, which means that we represent 1.2 times 10 to the 64th of all of the videos that I upload to YouTube. So, like, considering the fact that this is completely off, even if we're off by a factor of billions and billions and billions, like, assuming that we're only like 10 to the power of 10th of the YouTube universe, that's still way less than we are actually of the real world. That's 1,000 times less than the real world, which means that it's kind of hard to think of why we're doing this. But then you realize that our channel, without its existence, this would have never been introduced to YouTube. And with that alone, I don't know, it seems like enough to feel justified. So I guess that's it, and I'll see you tomorrow, James.